Day in the life of a real estate agent.
Yep, this is a day in the life. It is not all the glam that you may think it is. We are out at Montgomery Meadows development, which is just right on the border of Byron and Rochester. And we're swapping out our new real estate signs since we switched over to eXp Realty. We want to make sure that all the new signs are up, so good old Bruce has got to get the toolbox working. So if you've never been out here, I encourage you guys to stop on out. We are in the middle right now of 4 homes going up as we speak. We have single family lots that are at least a half of an acre, up to over an acre, open to all builders for the single family homes. And then we do have villa home sites, which is just like a single family home, except it's on a slightly smaller lot where we maintain the lawn care and the snow care for you. And we've got a couple of those going up right now as well, and those are being built by Cravath Custom Homes. If we can answer any questions, we're Kelly and Bruce DeMail with eXp Realty, and come check out Montgomery Meadows. Oh, one more thing, we will be at the Rochester Area Builders Home Show this next weekend, February 4th, 5th, and 6th at the Mayo Civic Center, with all information about this development. So we'd love to see you. Thanks.